my goodness, it is another cold one here in Utah today. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And of course, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're flying off to Las Vegas, Nevada. My buddy Alex, you guys know Alex, aka Lambo Jesus. He is one of the nicest people in the world. And today he's bought a Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo, a Malagato. That's right, Alex has bought a brand new Huracan STO. But the best part about it, his wife Nelly, the sweetest, nicest human in the entire world, she's actually way nicer than Alex, has absolutely no idea. Now, in Alex's defense, 3 years ago, he bought an Aventador and Nelly had no idea, and it was a surprise. And then 2 years ago, at a Murcielago, once again, it was a surprise. So it's kind of Nelly's fault. Like, she should know. Well, just like that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. So the key is to not ruin the surprise, okay? Do not ruin the surprise. And just like that, welcome here to Lamborghini of Las Vegas. So Alex's LP640 Murcielago is also here. It was being serviced at Lamborghini Vegas. So I don't know where Alex and Nelly exactly are. My head's kind of on a swivel right now because as soon as they come, I gotta stop talking. The tentative plan, we're gonna be driving Alex's new car as well as the Murcielago from Las Vegas to Scottsdale, Arizona, where Alex lives. I don't know exactly how this is gonna go down. I don't know what Alex has told Nelly. In the back of my mind, like, I know she knows, but she doesn't know. Like, why would we be here? So momentarily, they're gonna be here. I think they're on an Uber maybe. So every single time I see Alex's Murcielago, I am blown away. Bro, it's so good looking. You're so good looking.
I always say you're too nice. I should just start accepting it.
Hi, Nelly.
Hi.
How's it going? Good to see you. What's up, Ben? What's up, Georgie? The homies from Lamborghini Las Vegas, Alex's Murcielago. Bro, I need an LP640.
Yes, you do.
Oh, you're getting the door for me. I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Drive this.
Unbelievable. So good. And of course, Mr. Sheep. That's so sick. She has no idea. Pretty cool to see the trio of Huracans right now. We got the Spider right there. We got the brand new Technica and what appears to be an STO under this cover as well. Could we just like look real quick though? Is that possible? Maybe?
So
Georgie?
he hasn't seen it yet.
Oh, he's not gonna know.
Right,
Nobody will, only my mom watches my videos.
So
It's only my mom. It doesn't matter. They're never gonna know.
here's the deal. If we take the cover off this car, you can't air the video until he picks up the car.
Okay, that's fair. No, that's a deal.
Fair?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. So obviously this is not gonna air until the owner actually sees the car for the first time. This thing is sick. What color is this, Georgie?
Balloon white.
Balloon white Huracan STO. Got all the carbon fiber. That is so sick, dude. Wow.
Every time, dude. Every time.
You can see the Silky 2 license plate right there. You knew, Nelly.
I knew it.
Oh, dude, it's just so hard. So on the plane, Nelly goes, I'm like, nothing's happening today. You have to understand nothing's happening today. And out of every car I've gotten, I pretty much surprised her with most of them.
Or the Aventador, the Murcielago.
You've been there for a lot.
Well, and the Diablo, you didn't surprise her. It was boring.
And it was boring.
It was so boring.
So I told her, no, I'm doing surprises from now on. And she's like, something's happening. I'm like, it's not. She's like, it's gonna take 3 times where it doesn't for me to believe you. She thought Leo's purple Diablo at my house. So.
Congratulations. You're now our STO. Well, this is Nelly's Lamborghini, right?
Yeah, this is your car.
That's what you've been saying for the last year.
Because this is the easiest Lambo to drive.
I'm cool with that.
She did know. As soon as we walked in, she's like, this is your car, this is your car, this is your car.
You did say that.
And I had the camera like down on my hip and I'm like trying to hit the record button. I think I got it a little bit.
We deviated though. I had to like walk her over there, talk about other things. George, like I had you off track a little bit. Yes.
He was throwing me off.
Did you see the Photoshop in the license plate though? Look at this. It looks like a real Illinois license plate. Silky 2. That is absolutely perfect.
Man, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped.
Yeah, dude, congratulations, by the way.
Thank
You just bought a Huracan STO, the first brand new Lamborghini that either of us have ever bought. This is so
the first
sick.
new car I've ever purchased in my life. I've never bought a new car before.
Out of course, media, I'm sorry, covering the throttle. You gotta brake. He's got it. Bro, you got a braking period, okay?
Listen.
You got 50 miles.
You got a straight pipe this thing.
I know, but we can't talk about that at the Lambo dealer. We'll talk about that when we get outside.
I have a warranty now.
You're out of warranty, okay? Yeah, you gotta straight pipe it. Yeah. I mean, now that we're outside, now we can say it. Now that we're out of the showroom, he's got to get an exhaust for that.
Straight pipe it. The paint in the sun looks amazing.
The balloon white. Bro, so good. This car looks so crazy. The STO, this is one of the cleanest examples I've ever seen. I love the silver wheels. So your note, they are identical specs. They are absolutely the exact same car. The 2007 Murcielago?
7, yeah.
And a 2022 Huracan STO.
23 now.
23. Excuse me.
Whoa,
2023.
I'm bougie like that, you know?
Alex is very, very bougie. Wait, this means that I'm gonna have to, I have to drive one of the cars back to Arizona.
Oh yeah, you got it. I think, this is Huracan keys.
This guy with all of his Lambo keys in all of his pockets. All right, well, see you later. Nice to know you. Out of absolutely nowhere, what is happening? What? This is crazy. This color is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's one of my best friends, Tom.
Okay, little STO party. Is that blue Cephas? That color is perfect. I mean, that color is perfect too. They're both perfect.
No, this is I would expect this color.
Little
too. This is
STO
perfect.
party, goodness. I'm telling you guys, the more and more I look at this STO, the more I realize I'm messed up. I had an opportunity to buy an STO a couple times. I turned it down. Obviously, I got the Strad on order, but the STO, that shark fin, that functional, it's not a functional. Is it a functional roof scoop? We're gonna make it functional. So this is not functional, but Alex has a plan. Alex has a lot of plans for this car. A fatty exhaust and a functional snorkel.
Maybe some snails. Maybe some. I'm just saying.
Wow. I wasn't expecting snails. Is that news? We're getting exclusives. And of course, immediately Alex has to open it up. Bro, there's a problem. There's a massive problem.
We don't have room for luggage.
We have no room for luggage.
We had to
you guys packed everything.
Yeah, well, you're taking.
So Nelly brought like a tiny little jacket. You brought like 19 different outfits.
Oh my goodness. Let's be real. Let's be real. Now we do have a huge trunk here, though.
That's my car.
Yeah,
No, that's my car. I don't got room for you.
Yeah, you got
I got all my camera gear, bro.
Can you help us out?
We didn't plan for this, so we got to drive both these cars to Arizona. We don't have any room.
I think we got room.
We got room?
Yeah.
Did you look in there? You literally have room for a helmet. There's a room for a helmet. That's it, bro. I just love how they put the owner's manual. Is that the owner's manual? Is that what it is? Or what is that?
No, this year.
I don't want to break it. You know, I don't want to touch anything. I have a history of breaking stuff. I broke your Murcielago. I broke your R33. I broke your Diablo. Everything I touch, I break. What is that?
So this year, I believe, is a battery tender.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
And I have a history of blowing up batteries as well.
Let's
plug in.
Yeah, C-Tech.
Yeah. Shout out to the homies at C-Tech, saving me every single day.
Right. That's right.
Very cool. I also love this bonnet, all the carbon fiber,
You killed
bro.
my Diablo last time I was at your house.
All right, and on that bombshell, today's video. I'm just, I did kill. I have a history of killing a lot of cars. We're learning all sorts of things. This is called a cofangle?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
Cofango.
Cofangle.
Fandango, mango.
Yes.
Cofango. Yeah.
Sometimes I can't enunciate very well. Cofangle, that's what this is called, supposedly, according to Alex. So another cool feature of the STO is kind of like a quick disconnect. Using that same 3D key, the whole rear deck lid actually just pops off. We got Ben, the service manager here at Lamborghini Las Vegas, showing us all the tricks of the trades. What kind of engine is in this car?
5.2 liter V10.
That's right, babe. What kind of power?
640, same as
You
the
should come to
Performante.
all my videos so you can tell me all the stats, facts, and figures. Check that out.
These are both LP640s.
You're right.
That's true.
That's actually kind of crazy.
Right?
Oh, and it's all carbon fiber.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that.
So
Look at the
sick.
shark. It's like shark. It's like armor, body armor.
Yeah, pick it up.
Shark fin.
Super light.
Don't drop that, Alex. You haven't paid for it yet, bro. You have not paid for it. I can confirm. We're still waiting for the wire. The wire has not
I think
quite
the wire
made it.
went through already.
I don't think it has. George is looking at me and he's shaking his head. We might not be taking this car home. Man, we're getting all the party tricks today out of absolutely nowhere. We got Georgie in the brand new Urus Performante. This is not good. Oh, this is not
getting
good.
expensive
She's
for
got
you guys. Yes,
yeah,
this is
yes
getting
it is.
expensive for you guys.
You know, the more I think about it, Sophia, maybe you do need a Urus. You don't know? Maybe you're more of an Aventor kind of girl.
Yeah, I think
Sophia drove my Aventor coupe yesterday while I drove the Aventor Roadster
so
simultaneously.
she's seasoned.
I couldn't keep
She's
up with her.
seasoned.
I legit could not keep up with her.
That doesn't surprise me.
Well, you hate to see her go, but goodness gracious, do you love to watch her leave. That color is so good. I don't know if you guys can see the flake in that. Blue Seep is so,
really nice.
that color is so good. I should have got an STO. I should have got an STO. What was I thinking? Why didn't you let me get an STO, Georgie? You told me, George. I have one. Yeah, so we're gonna talk off camera. In one of the most shocking sequences in a vlog ever, the wire came through.
I couldn't afford the Lambo, so they gave me an Audi.
Is it the big moment of truth? Alex, I think you might be right.
see.
I think we're gonna be okay.
I think we're gonna be all right.
All right, and
I know it's gonna be a little.
I'm so afraid you're gonna
more, just a couple more. Have no idea what I'm doing, but she's definitely gonna turn on. See, I'm a professional, Sophia, no doubt, right? There's no doubt. She's just like smiling. She's like, ooh, I should not be in this car with this guy. All right, we got 36,546 miles. You guys can't see anything because of the polarizer, but we are actually staying in Vegas tonight. We're driving to Arizona tomorrow. A massive shout out to all the homies off at Lamborghini of Las Vegas. Okay, so we are headed to somewhere and I have absolutely no idea where. I'm very nervous driving to Murcielago. This one has the eager transmission, which is a little bit finicky. I do not want to blow out a clutch. I do not want to blow out a front splitter, but Alex is driving his STO for the very first time. He has never driven an STO. That car has 50 miles on it. So don't forget, Alex, there's a braking period. No, there's a braking period. There's a legit braking period. What is he doing? This car looks so crazy on the road. It looks so good. What? I don't know exactly how this happened. We're going to have an STO. I got Murcielago in motion. Whoa! I need an LP640. What? What? Sophia's freaking out. I need another Murcielago. This is crazy. The city of Las Vegas thanks me? Why me? You're welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. I don't know how to say this. I broke Alex's Murcielago. I broke the car. I broke the Murcielago. I did. I'm serious. I broke it, Alex. I legit broke. Great. It's literally my reputation. It precedes me. The window on the passenger side won't go up.
I'll open and close the door.
Oh, okay, Alex is confident. Open and close the door. That makes no sense, but whatever. If Alex says so. Yeah, that did absolutely nothing. Great. So window regulator on a Murcielago, you guys know this, is $3,000. Alex doesn't know that unless he saw my video. So yeah, $3,000 for a window regulator. It's gonna be a very, very cold journey back to Arizona. I apologize. It's gonna be a cold trip. Never mind. We're totally good. Okay, maybe we should keep that up for a while. But you know what? We're not gonna roll the window down. We are not rolling the window down. We're good, Alex. We're good. It's so good. It is so good. Good try, Alex. That STO, that soft profile, that's so good. What in the world? That's so good. I need an LP640. Safe to say we're buying another Murcielago.